Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you AI tool that I'm testing out right now that's absolutely free. It allows you to change your hair style and it's super cool and realistic. It's not like some of those apps that allows you to change it, but it turns out weird. If you have the hairstyle that fits your color and so forth and your hairstyle, then you'll be able to get something really nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply head over to the website, and that website, it's called Right Here AI. So you can just simply go ahead and just enter Right Here AI, and yeah, you can just go ahead and start playing with it. So this is the website, right? You also have the tools on the upper right, so you can go through it and you can do, these kind of things, beard filters, all of these kind of stuff you can do, guys, right? Do a lot with your with your face, right? And these are the hairstyles that are available to you. You have male hairstyle, you have female hairstyles, right? So I'm gonna do a quick test as well and show you what that actually looks like. So all you really have to do is just scroll down to the section where it says transform your look instantly with our free AI hairstyle changer. Go ahead and choose your photo if you have it on your PC. I'm gonna go ahead and do two options. So I'm gonna just try to do something of myself, and then I will try the picture with the baby. So I'm gonna upload this picture of myself right here. You can choose a sizing if you want. I'm gonna leave it as is, and then I'm gonna apply. And I'm going to switch to the mail tab here and just choose something. So these are the ones that are currently available to me right now. So I think the best one I could choose is this one here without the hair. And yeah, that doesn't look too weird. And just simple click and generate. And you will see. And then afterwards, we'll do a test of the beard as well so that you can see what it looks like. And yeah, once you do that, guys, what's gonna happen is gonna remove the hairstyle and you will see. Let me show you what this actually looks like. This is what it looks like with me without my hair. It's not so bad. I've tried this hairstyle before once, and I must say that it turns out pretty similar, right, to what this actually looks like. And the quality of the photo is actually really good. So if you want to download it, you can click the download button and you are able to download that image on your PC with yourself in the hairstyle that you actually choose, right? So keep that in mind. It's a good option. Now, at the top, as you saw, it mentions that they also have some beard filters as well, so you can try that out, smile, and so forth. So I'm going to try the AI beard filter and just see how that actually is. So here, you can go ahead and you can play with it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the file again. And maybe this time, let me just choose the same image. And maybe I want to add more beard to myself or remove the beard. It's really up to me. So I'm gonna choose the option to, let's do this one. Let's see how this one actually looks. And it's gonna update the picture, and then I'm gonna try the one without the beard so that you can see what that actually looks like. Oh guys, look at that. As you can see here, it gives me a whole not a beard. Wow, I'm telling you guys, it looks really interesting. It looks really interesting. No, I'm gonna try the second option here to remove the beard from myself. So let's try this one by selecting the clean one and do this option. And let's just wait for that to finish generated. Okay, it did remove the beard, but at the same time, it changed the image, right? So I would say that this one doesn't really work well because it changed the image, but some of them actually works pretty well. So in case you have issues, you might want to re-upload your image, especially when you're trying to work with the same image. So you might want to just upload your image and then try again to remove the beard to see if it will actually, do a better job right there. So I'm going to simply re-upload my image and try again and see what happens right there. So here you have it, guys. I've tried it a few times, and to be honest, I run out of credit. But what I recognize based on testing is that if you have an existing image right there, you might want to just retake or re-upload your original image. And once you do that, not the one that you worked on. So for example, I use this one with the hair already gone. It's best to upload your original image that you actually use, and that's going to allow you to get a much better result. In my case, I'm using the free account and I'm out of those daily credits, but go ahead and try it, guys, for yourself. If you want to change your beard, if you want to go ahead and, basically change your style, this is a cool tool to use. So go ahead and play with it. You have a ton of different AI applications that you can use. And I wish you all the best that you'll enjoy it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.